Brown, and I'm doing requirement for Family Life. To do a project that'll benefit the family, I built a garden with jalapenos, tomatoes, bell peppers, and watermelons. And I have cilantro as well. And I built a wooden frame by myself using recycled wood